Here's the solution for day 4. State the domain of the expression. The domain of an expression is a list of all numbers that could be used for the variable so that the rule given to you is defined. So this rule is 3 times a number x plus 6. What are all numbers that could be used to replace x? What are all the numbers that you can times by 3 and add 6 to them? And that is all real numbers. Any real number can be multiplied by 3, and then you can add 6 to that result. Now question B, what's the domain? What are all numbers that could be used to replace x? This time it's all real numbers except -4. The reason that -4 is not in the domain is that it's not an allowed replacement for x. If you substituted -4 for x, -4 plus 4 would create a 0 in the denominator, and 5 divided by 0 is undefined. Question C, what is the domain? What are all numbers that could be used to replace x? X is under a square root radical, and in the set of real numbers, you can't take the square root of a negative number. So the domain is that x has to be greater than or equal to 0. We can write that using symbols like this. As long as x is any real number greater than or equal to 0, then this function is defined. Question D, the cube root of x plus 9. This time x can be any real number. So the domain is all reals. It's possible to take the cube root of a negative number. You get a negative answer. The cube root of 0 is just 0, and the cube root of positive numbers are positive answers.